All right, welcome back everybody. Today's sketch is going to be Chapter 2, Hands-on Test Drive 3. As always, we will be drawing in millimeters, grams, and seconds. We're going to open our sketch in the front plane, and I am going to start with the line drawing tool. I'm going to click on the origin. I'm going to draw it horizontally to the right, approximately 50 millimeters. Come in here, get to our radius tool. We're going to do a radius of 25 millimeters here. And then 10 millimeters over from there. And then we're going to draw up approximately 65 millimeters. We're going to put a radius in here of 25 millimeters. Like so. And we'll come down approximately 30 millimeters. Over 25. Down 25. And then we're going to come over here, over that origin, and then back down to the origin till we have a completely enclosed sketch. And then we are going to begin dimensioning. So we'll exit out of our insert line tool, go to Smart Dimension, and we are going to, actually let me exit out of here first. So I want to make sure, oh, that looks good. So we'll come in here, we're going to dimension this line to 50 millimeters. We'll dimension this radius to 25 millimeters. We will dimension this line to 10 millimeters. Then this line here to 65 millimeters. This radius is going to be a radius of 25 millimeters. Then this line will be 30 millimeters. And this one will be 25. Then we have another one at 25, like so. And now we are fully defined. Our sketch is done. As simple as that. And we are looking good. All right, so fully defined. We're going to go ahead and save this one. Again, you will want to save this as Chapter 2, Hands-on Test Drive 3. Hit enter, and we are done. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below, or you can hit me up in the classroom, and I will see you on the next video.